To matters education now, as grade 10 learners settle into their second month of senior school, a crippling shortage of textbooks is threatening to stall learning. Key subjects still remain actually, let me take that again. Key subjects under senior school remain provided with books, forcing students to share scarce materials. With distribution still only halfway done, teachers and learners are left scrambling, raising urgent questions about government planning, accountability, and its ability to deliver critical resources on time. Listen in.
The delayed arrival of textbooks continue to hamper learning, leaving some struggling to keep pace. In several learning areas, lessons have already begun, but the shortage threatens to widen gaps, putting both students and teachers under mounting pressure. Most schools are still grappling with acute textbook shortage in key learning areas, with disparities evident from one institution to another. The most affected subjects cut across biology, physics, CRE, general science, French, Fasihi, and literature, exposing glaring gaps that threaten the quality and consistency of learning nationwide.
We have received quite a number of textbooks in various subjects in the pathways. Although the numbers are not sufficient.
Even in schools that have received textbooks, the numbers remain grossly inadequate compared to student enrollment. Learners are forced to share scarce materials, a challenge that presents even as lessons commence, undermining effective teaching and raising fresh questions about preparedness and planning. This comes just days after the missed January deadline, despite earlier assurances from the ministry and publishers that textbooks will have reached schools on time. The ministry reports that nationwide textbook distribution has surpassed the halfway mark, with just over 50% distributed to schools. This slow rollout highlights ongoing logistical challenges and leaves many students waiting, intensifying pressure on authorities to expedite delivery and ensure no learner is left behind.
The book distribution as today, we are at 60%. By 10th of February, all the books will have been distributed to all the schools. We are not 60%.
Many now questioning how long the government will delay achieving full textbook distribution, as uncertainty grows over when all schools will finally receive the materials, leaving students and teachers in limbo and fueling concerns about planning and accountability. And Musungu, KTN, Nairobi.
Now, in a bid to escalate their grievances and